Namaste. This is Nilima Madhu. I'm here to present few things regarding COVID virus. Firstly, I would like to wish you all a happy Sri Rama Navami. On this day, as we are in home quarantine, what is the reason? Why we are in the home quarantine? Why we are not going to the temple? It is only because of the dreadful disease which we are facing today. That is nothing but COVID-19. So this COVID-19 is nothing but the coronavirus. COVID. This is coronavirus, which was caused in the month of December for the first time in the year 2019 in China. So, this dreadful disease is nothing but because of a viral infection. So, this virus is a non-living thing. When it enters into the host, it gets multiplied number of times. So, it is similar to that of the flu virus. So, this is a contagious disease and it is very dreadful. So, we need to face this right now. So, how to face this? So, by inculcating certain things into our lifespan regularly, we need to control this. So, as in the upcoming generations, most of the people are going to expose to such kind of dreadful diseases. It may not be same coronavirus or it may be a different virus. But this is similar to that of flu. As we all know, flu does not have any medicine. So only by following few changes in our lifestyle, we can come across these things. As you know, the virus is not having any wings and it is not having any legs to move and come to you. So it is only you who are acting as a carrier and making the virus move from one place to another place. So I will show you a small example how the virus is being controlled. So see here. So consider this as a water. It was there. So water. And this is the particles which are acting as microorganisms or the virus particles. So the virus particles get attached to the surface wherever it is and it enters into your hands, and when you put these hands into your nose or eyes, these commonly enter into your nose or eyes, etc. So when these virus particles have entered into the vehicles, it is getting attached to the surface. If you use a soap water to clean yourself, this soap, this is the soap water, soap, we are cleaning our hands with the soap. As soon as we clean our hands with the soap, the virus did not get attached to the surface. So you can feel free to yourself that the virus particles is not being entered into your body. So in this way you can protect yourself. So by washing your hands completely with soap water, and when there is no availability of soap, you can use this sanitizer, and your clothes should be washed with a Dettol. So you need to make these habits as a cultivating regular habitats. And while you cough or sneeze, you should use tissues carefully, and you should not allow others to get exposed because you are acting as a carrier. You should not make others being infected with your disease. And while you go outside, definitely use a mask to cover your nose and mouth so that any particles will not enter to you. And social distancing is the first and foremost thing which you need to follow, because these viruses are being spread through the droplets only. These droplets which are falling while you are sneezing or coughing. When there is no availability of tissues, you can either sneeze not in your hands, in your elbow. And this virus is not having any kind of medicine now. So it is your immune system which used to be maintained by eating more amount of citrus fruits. And those who are having high immunity can also withstand to this viral disease. And especially the children who are of less than 10 years of age, and it is being carried to your old grandpa and grandma. So you should be very careful because their immune system is not ready to withstand this. So only methods in order to control this COVID-19 is nothing but by drinking water in the copper bottles, which is having the antimicrobial activity. And not only in copper water tins, you can also drink the water which is very hot. That means lukewarm water. Daily make it a habit of drinking lukewarm water, which consists of which can make you free from any kind of viruses. So right now, I'm going to give you a few key points how to control or how to eradicate this COVID-19 from not entering into your lifestyle. So you should clean your hands with soap and water or alcohol based on the hand rub, and you should at least wash your hands for basically for 20 seconds of time period. And you should cover your nose and mouth with a mask. You should wear gloves if it is available, and the gloves should also be removed from the hand carefully. Avoid being contact with the people who are having flu virus, and you should eat the food which is completely cooked, especially the meat and egg. While you are eating meat and egg, it should be completely boiled and thoroughly cooked meat and egg. Wash your hands for 20 seconds at least, and the sanitizers, if not soap is not available, you can either use the sanitizer. So we all together can only make this possible by inculcating these habitats into our daily life. So be careful, friends. Stay home, stay happy. Namaste. Thank you.